Hello everyone, myself Dr. Monica Bansal, Assistant Professor at Khalsa College, Patiala. Today I am going to start a lecture series on heterocyclic compounds, or we can say heterocyclic chemistry. In this lecture, I am going to tell you about the general introduction of these heterocyclic compounds and the different types. We are going to discuss what is the basic difference between the carbocyclic and the heterocyclic compounds. Carbocyclic compounds are the compounds which contain only the carbon and hydrogen. Only carbon and hydrogen. But in case of heterocyclic compounds, it contains some heteroatoms instead of carbon and hydrogen in their ring structure. Now the type of the heteroatom present in these heterocyclic compounds may be nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. But we discuss only these three heteroatoms as a part of our syllabus, that is nitrogen containing heterocyclic compounds, oxygen containing heterocyclic compounds, and sulfur containing heterocyclic compounds. And these compounds may contain ring having one or more than one heteroatom of the same type, like a 5-member ring containing 2 nitrogen atoms, or a 6-member ring containing 2 nitrogen atoms, or maybe different. For example, a 5-member containing nitrogen and oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Now next is the classification of these heterocyclic compounds. First we discuss its classification according to its aromatic character. Heterocyclic compounds can be classified according to the aromaticity as the non-aromatic, or we can say aliphatic. Similarly, the other one is the aromatic. When we consider aliphatic, it may be a saturated one or the unsaturated. Slide, we discuss some examples related to the particularly three-member heterocyclic compounds, which are maybe saturated or the unsaturated. Saturated means without any double bond. Unsaturated may contain saturated single or double bond. For example, in this case, this is the aziridine. It is a three-membered heterocyclic compound with the nitrogen as a heteroatom. Similarly, in the next one, three-membered again, but here the heteroatom is oxygen. And the third one is thyrine, three-membered with sulfur as a heteroatom. Now again next one is again the three-membered, but it contains unsaturated bond, that is double bond, and the name is azirine. Similarly with oxygen, oxyrene, and with sulfur, thyrine, that is the word is E. The next one, the another example in this particular case, oxaziridine. It is a three-membered heterocyclic compound, but it contains two different heteroatoms as seen in the slide. That is, one is oxygen and the other one is nitrogen. Similarly, in the next one, diaziridine. It contains both heteroatom as nitrogen. That is, it is an example of same type of heteroatom present in an heterocyclic compound. And the third one is the thyrine, that is sulfur containing three-membered with a double bond. Now the four-membered heterocyclic compounds. The first example is it is a four-membered with nitrogen as a heteroatom, and the name of this compound is azatidine. Similarly, with oxygen, oxidane, with sulfur, thiazide. When we consider the unsaturated system of these compounds, it is 2-azatine. 2 indicates the position of the double bond. If this nitrogen is at position 1, we consider the heteroatom always lowest number. 1, then this is the number 2, 2-azatine. Similarly, this is oxetane and this is the thiazide. These are the examples of four-membered heterocyclic compounds having saturated bond. Next one is the example of aromatic heterocyclic compounds. In aromatic, we further consider first one is the five member like this one. This is your pyrazole. It is a five-membered ring structure having two heteroatoms. But in this case, the two heteroatoms are same, nitrogen, and the name of the compound is pyrazole. Similarly, in the next example, the one heteroatom is different. One is again the nitrogen, but the other one is different. That is oxygen. So the name of this compound is isoxazole. The third one is one nitrogen, but the other one is sulfur. So the name of this compound is isothiazole. Now the another one, here is the position is different. In the earlier case, these two heteroatoms are present at 1 and 2 position, and these are aromatic. All these are aromatic in nature. But in the another one, these two heteroatoms are at 1, 3 position. 1 and 3. This is 1 position, then is a 2, then is a 3. This is 1, 3 position. And the name of the compound is imidazole. Similarly, again with oxygen, but the position is 1, 3. So the name is oxazole. The third one, sulfur, nitrogen, and the position is 1, 3, but the name is thiazole. In the next slide, six-membered heterocyclic compounds with aromatic character, and the simplest one is with only one heteroatom, that is nitrogen, as you earlier studied in BSc classes. That is the simplest, pyridine. It is aromatic in nature. Now the next one, six-membered but two heteroatom, that is both are nitrogen, and these two are present at 1 and 2 position, 1 and then 2, and the name of this compound is pyridazine. Similarly, the next one, the position of these two heteroatoms now change from 1 2 to 1 3, 1 then 3. So the name of this compound is pyrimidine. Third one, these two heteroatoms are present at 1 4 position, 1 4. Name is pyrazine. Now the six-membered heteroatoms containing two different heteroatoms. For example, in this case, this is oxygen and the other one is nitrogen. One is oxygen, other one is nitrogen. So the name of this compound is oxazine. Now 1 2 indicates the position of heteroatom. 1 2. This is 1 2. Similarly, in the next example, 1 3. 1 and 3. 1 3 oxazine. Similarly, the next one is 1 4 oxazine. This is the classification according to the aromatic. Next is the classification according to the nature and number of heteroatoms. Heterocyclic compounds means first is the nature of heteroatom used. Whether the ring structure contains nitrogen as a heteroatom, oxygen or the sulfur. Or ring may contain nitrogen and oxygen both, nitrogen and sulfur both, or anyone. The another type is the number of heteroatoms present in the ring system. As earlier we discussed, that is the three-member ring system with only one heteroatom, like aziridine, thioarine. Similarly, the two heteroatoms of the same kind, like five-member ring structure, pyrazole, imidazole. Similarly, pyrimidine, six-member ring structure containing two nitrogen atom, 1 and 3 position, which we discussed earlier. Similarly, the two heteroatoms of the different kind like thiazole, isothiazole, oxazines. These are the heterocyclic compounds of containing two different types of heteroatoms. Now, based on the nature of heteroatoms, one is this is the nitrogen as a heteroatom. Now this compound is different because in this case the oxygen as a heteroatom. Similarly, this is the sulfur. These three are the four-membered heterocyclic compounds. Similarly, three-membered with nitrogen, aziridine, with oxygen, oxirane. sulfur, thiarine. All these compounds are in our syllabus. Now the example based on the number of heteroatoms. For example, as we discussed, aziridine contains only one nitrogen as a heteroatom. But now the next example, diaziridine. Now it contains two heteroatoms. But these two heteroatoms are of the same type. These two heteroatoms are of the same type. Now the third one, oxaziridine. It also contains two heteroatoms, but these two heteroatoms are different. One is nitrogen and the other one is oxygen. Now similarly, we can apply this to the 5-membered ring structure, 5-membered with only one heteroatom like nitrogen. Now the name of this compound is pyrrole. Similarly, the next one, again the 5-membered ring structure containing two heteroatoms, but these heteroatoms are same. Both are nitrogen, nitrogen, nitrogen. So the name is pyrazole. Now the next one is the 5-membered containing two heteroatoms, but these two heteroatoms are different. One is nitrogen and the other one is sulfur. So the name is thiazole. So this is the classification according to the number of heteroatoms, whether these heteroatoms contain only one heteroatom, two in two, whether these two are same or these two are different. Now the third type of classification according to the size of the ring. Size of the ring, like we discussed, 3-membered ring system. 3-membered ring system with one heteroatom, for example, aziridine, with oxygen, oxirane, and with sulfur, thiarine. Similarly, the ring size may be a 4-membered with nitrogen as a heteroatom. Then it is aziridine, similarly with oxygen, oxetane, and with sulfur, thiatane. Next is the 5-membered. 5-membered is the aromatic in nature. It contain, we discuss only the two heteroatoms containing compounds of the same type. So we written here only the same type nitrogen. Same type means both the heteroatoms present in our compounds are nitrogen, and the example is imidazole and the pyrazole. Similarly, in the 6-membered ring system, 6-membered containing two heteroatoms. Again, in this case, the two heteroatoms which we consider is the same, that is both are nitrogen. So the example is pyridazine, when these two nitrogens are present at 1,2 position, pyrimidine when these two heteroatom is in our case this is nitrogen present at 1,3 position, and in the next is the pyrazine when these two nitrogens are present at pyrazine. And this slide indicates the our whole syllabus that if we discuss one by one. First one is a 3-membered, then 4, 5 and 6-membered. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can comment below.